All right, so here I'm going to show you how to make a hole on the wall. So as you can see over there, I did the same thing because I'm installing an electrical outlet, and I'm going to install another electrical outlet kind of in this area. But because I have this, the conduit is all loose, we will have to put the hook, the clamp that you see here. So I put I made the mark over there, so that way you see where I have to make the hole, and then I'll show you. So basically, you have two tools. You can make a hole with this. This is a regular hammer drill. It works, but it's slow. Or you have this one that is way faster. It's a rotary hammer drill, and as you can see there, you have the model. If you want to see the model number, that is what I'm using right now. Or you have this one right here. This is the other one. Of course, this costs more, this costs less. And we are going to use, you have two options. One, you can use this type of screws, the Tapcom screws, or you can use the other ones that are just regular screws with a plastic anchor. You can use either or. But in this case, I'm going to make the video just talking about this. So these are easier. So all you have to make sure is that you use the drill bit. For instance, in this case, when you buy this type of Tapcon, it comes with this drill bit, so that way you make sure that the diameter is a little bit smaller, slimmer than the drill bit, the screw itself. Otherwise, it's going to be very loose. It's not going to be tight. Or if you're using the other one, same thing. It's always better try to use the smaller size than too big. Otherwise, you always can make the hole bigger, but you cannot make the hole smaller. So with the impact driver, I'm using this. This is the model, if you see. So that is all the tools that you're going to need in order to make the hole. So mark it. This is a cinder block, and we should be good. All right, as you can see, one is way faster than the other one. So now we're going to put the screws, and we should be good. All right, as you can see, everything is firm and tight. Both screws, they work amazingly. And that's it. So if you want to keep learning, you can go to the playlist. I have all my videos organized by topic. And if you have any question, leave it in the section below. And if you want to buy any of these tools, I'll try to leave it in the video description, so that way you can get the same set. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.